welcome to TC Electronics. On this video, we are going to see the job opportunities that are present in the Vodafone. So Vodafone is a very famous company and a lot of people are interested in working with Vodafone. So in today's video, we are going to explore the job opportunities that you can have in Vodafone. And we know that due to this COVID situation, mostly all jobs will be work from home only. So let us explore the job opportunities in the career site of Vodafone. Okay. So this is the official site of Vodafone. Here you can see, if you scroll down, there are various options: our teams, students and graduates, search and apply. So we are going to see all the available vacancies in Vodafone. So just click on this view all vacancy. Now you can see all the vacancies available in various parts of the world. Okay. Now we need to see which are the open positions present in India. So before that, I want to tell you one thing. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. Okay. We'll be posting regular updates on various company recruitments. Okay. So today we are going to see the Vodafone openings in India. So we are going to search by location. Here you can see there are two options: search by keyword and search by location. So I'm going to give us India. Then search jobs. Yeah. Here you can see there are 418 open positions present in India. And if you click on each of it, you will see the requirements and all. Okay. And the date of posting and the location. So let us see that. First one is test integration. So the first job that we can see is test integration. Here, the posting country is India. It is posted on 28th of April. It is a full-time job. And here you can see the requirements, that is the details. And if you are interested in applying, there is an icon which is called apply now. Okay. So that is one opening. Now, just like that, there is 418 openings which is present in India location. Another one which is Deputy Manager Cyber Defense Analyst. Let's see that. The location is Pune. Yeah. Scroll down, you will see the requirements. So this is asking for experience, 5+ years of experience. They're asking. The previous job, they didn't ask any experience. So here, they have given in detail regarding what area of experience you require and all. So 5+ years of relevant experience in cybersecurity, event analysis, security incident investigation, all these things. Cybersecurity, if you have any experience in that area, then you can apply to this post. And 5+ years of experience you require. Okay. So that is the post which is Deputy Manager Cyber Defense. Location is Pune. Okay. Next. Just like that, you can also see other jobs. We'll see Senior Executive Engineer. Okay, so this is the post which is Senior Executive Engineer, Unix SQL, Pune. Okay. So this is the post. It is posted on 5th May. It is very recent job update. They are not asking any experience. So if you are a fresher also, you can apply to this post. Okay. Just like that, you can see a lot of openings. So this is only the first page. Just like that, there is page 2, 3, 4, 5 like page. It will go on. 418 openings is there. Okay. So if you are interested in working with Vodafone, there is actually a lot of openings. You can actually scroll down and see a lot of, there is the openings one by one, and you can see whichever opening is favorable for you and you can apply. Okay. So there is actually a lot of openings. So in order to apply, along with every application's details or notification, there is an icon called apply. You can click on it and you can apply. Okay. So we'll see how we can apply. Okay. So there is an icon which is called apply now below this and also on top of it. Okay. So this is the post which is called test integration, and I'm going to apply for it. I'm going to click on apply now. Yeah. The first thing they are asking is to sign in. Okay, so if you are interested in applying for any job of Vodafone, first you have to register with Vodafone, and then you have to sign into your career page, and you can apply for multiple positions. Okay, so if you are interested in applying, you can create an account. Okay, so that is how you have to apply. Now, talking about the selection process, here this is a fresher recruitment, and also there are experienced person recruitments happening. So if the post is for freshers, then there will be various stages of selection. First stage will be online examination. For that, you have to cover the areas of aptitude, reasoning, analytical reasoning, verbal reasoning, all these areas you have to cover. Then there will be group discussion. Then there will be technical interview, and then HR interview. Okay. Now talking about the salary or the pay scale, you will get to know during your HR round. Okay. So these will be the various stages of selection, since if it is fresher recruitment. Now, if it is for experienced candidates, for example, if you are applying for a post which is asking for 3 years or 5 years of experience, then there will be only technical interview and HR interview. There won't be aptitude test. Okay. So aptitude test, mostly companies are keeping for hiring of freshers to analyze their problem solving skills, to analyze how good they are in critical thinking, all these things they are actually analyzing in the first stage, which is the aptitude test. For freshers, this aptitude test won't be there probably. Okay, so that is the difference in selection between experienced and freshers. So that's all about the recruitment update from Vodafone. So you can see that there is actually a lot of openings. If you are interested in applying for any of the posts, you can apply for it. And there is no last date given here. So you have to apply for it as soon as possible. So just explore the site of Vodafone Career. You will see a lot of openings. So you can go through it and you can apply for it as soon as possible. Okay. So that's all about the job updates from Vodafone. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.